Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 INFINITI QX80. If you are in the market for a full-size luxury SUV with all the latest technology to make driving easier, look no further than the INFINITI QX80. It packs a strong engine, excellent manners, and a well-equipped cabin. The QX80 is the most fuel-efficient of its kind. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, trip computer, heated steering wheel, fog lights, compass, power brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.